Alright, what's up, guys? We are now going to break the break. There is obviously no moves. We're going to go 2012 low end to 2014 high end. So we're going to work our way back. Certified 2012. Good luck. All right. Base. We got an Ed McCaffrey for the Broncos. 186 out of 250 Immortals. V. Guzman sheds the first numbered card. For the Dolphins, Lamar Miller, certified, what is it? Certified Skills jersey. 113 out of 299 for the Dolphins. Who had the Dolphins? Irish Chef. Base. Base. For the Steelers, David DeCastro, New Generation, number to 99999 for the Steelers. Data Papa. Base. Nothing. Ooh, I saw the logo and got nervous. For the Seahawks, Robert Turbin. The wrong Seahawk. Dane D. Wow. 206 out of 499. Seahawks. For the Seahawks again, Steve Largent, number to 299. 999, I mean. 602 out of 999. All base pack. For the Packers, Jordy Nelson, red, 22 out of 250 for the Packers. Hansen. Okay, so insert. For the Giants, Amani Toomer, fabric of the game jersey, 53 out of 199 for the Giants. Irish Chef, killing the jerseys. Easy loss. For the Chargers, Melvin Ingram, New Generation, number to 999. Who had the Chargers? K. Dacey. Woo-hoo! It's case hit right there. It's not a tumor. Alright, guys, last pack of 2012 certified. Mike Wallace for the Steelers. Jersey. Oh, shit. That's weird. Alright, it's just a jersey relic. But it's numbered 3 of 5. Huh. For the Steelers. Who had the Steelers? Data Papa. Short print. Jersey relic. Congratulations. I mean, it doesn't say prime or anything. Just really short print. Well, it's a short print. Alright. Let's go. You know what? We open a lot of crowns, so we'll leave Ultimate for last. Are you serious? They have 101 jerseys, jersey cards, and Topps Fire? That can't be true. Alright, base. For the Steelers, rookie card, 35 out of 299. Marcus smoking on them Wheatons. Data Papa killing the Michael Floyd, number to 199. The Cardinals. Alex Okafor, rookie. Oh, nice. For the Lions, 4 out of 10. Joseph Foria, autograph for the Lions. 4 out of 10. Nice short print cards today. Looks like the green variation. Poker spot. Woohoo! 4 out of 10. Joseph Foria. 90 out of 99. David Wilson. And a Desmond Trufant, rookie. We got an RG3, speaking of the devil, number to 299 for the Redskins. June Jones. 147 out of 299. Number to 199, Justin Brown, rookie. And a Sheldon Richardson, rookie. In your face, Lee. In your face. Oh, that's nice. Wow. 5 out of 10. Zach Ertz. Panini's Choice. For the Eagles, Zach Ertz. Poker spot. 2 hits. Both numbered at 10 in Crown Royale. Wow, in your face. Irish Chef and Mr. Ty's Dad. 5 out of 10. Deep purple. That's base. Jeff Toole, rookie. All right. 2014 limited. Well, it's always nice seeing the new guys hit, but in all honesty, I kind of root for the people that's been here for years and been taking an ass raping, like Scat Cat and other people. But appreciate it. 12 out of 99. Jersey number. Terry Bradshaw for the Steelers. You know what I'm talking about, Lee. 12 out of 99. Jersey number. Data Papa. Data Papa's killing it. Number 399 for the Bills. Sick. Number to 199 for the Bucks, Charles Sims. Who had the Bucks? Big Poppy! Not Mike Evans, but Charles Sims. It's nice relic on that. For the Bucks. 152 out of 199. Next. For the Packers, 79 out of 99. Jeff Janis in your butt. For the Packers, Hansen. And Demaryius Thomas, 93 out of 99 game day relic for the Broncos. V. Guzman. Still can't believe I sold you the damn Panthers. I had a feeling too. I had a feeling. All right, working our way backwards. 2014 Topps Finest. It's like a snake draft. We're on the wraparound, guys. Empty. 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 Here we go. Just FYI, guys, I'm only shipping the refractors out of the finest stuff, not base. All right, base, 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 base. Unless it's like a big name. Base, base. For the Bills, Marquise Goodwin. Jersey autograph, veteran auto. 1172 Hunt. Eric Ebron, Blake Bortles. You know what? I'll ship the rookies. At least the rookies are nice. Unless you guys tell me otherwise. But the base cards, I'm not bothered. I don't need shit. Base, base, base. Robert Mathis, Allen Robinson rookie. I mean, you guys are gonna notice that I'm gonna try to stay away from like multi-pack cards. I just want everything that's numbered. Michael Sam refractor. And Devontae Adams, rookie. Paul Richardson, die cut. For the Seahawks. And a Paul Richardson base to go with it. Alright, here we go. Josh Gordon, Jared Aberdeen's rookie. Base, base. Aaron Murray rookie. That looks like the patch auto. Julius Thomas, X-Fractor, Darqueze Dennard, and Taj Boyd. Peyton Manning refractor, Anthony Barr, rookie. Jace Amaro. Oh, that's a nice one. It's actually going to get you a good couple bucks. Odell Beckham Jr. rookie for the Giants. Odell Beckham rookies are selling pretty good. Aaron Donald rookie refractor, Jarvis Landry, and Khalil Mack. Alright guys, the last pack of 2014. Let's see who it is. Who is it? Who is it? Nice. For the Patriots, 9 out of 99, blue refractor of Julian Edelman. And ooh, a nice one. It's a nice one. 2-color RPA. Trey Mason for the Rams. Exposed to Nats. Gerald. Congrats. Kelvin Benjamin and Trey Mason rookie. Yeah, Gerald, I actually have your cards here from the other break. I haven't gotten a chance to send it out, but I'll send it out now. Woohoo! Canada. These Canada guys. Alright guys, Ultimate. It's the first time actually opening this stuff. How do you open this? Okay, that's weird. Okay, that's kind of awkward. Okay. Then you do that, and then you just do that again. It's weird. It's like a pull-out. Alright. Wow. Doesn't this bring isn't this good? Isn't this like one of his isn't this one of his like first rookies? Oh shit. Who has the Colts? Wow, Dave. Wait, is this 2000? This is 2013. How is... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What? Why is that? Okay, I'm confused because there's 2012 rookie cards in here. Is that legit? Look. Is that how they did it? Alright, I'm confused, but whatever. Woo! Andrew Luck rookie. Number to 525. Stedman Bailey rookie. Number to 99. I've never opened this before. Oh! 24 out of 30. What a box. John Elway. Dual jersey autograph. Wow. For the Broncos. V. Guzman. Sick. And Tyler Wilson. 29 out of 50. For the Raiders. Fucking... Wow. Ultimate rookie Andrew Luck. I mean, if it sells for 25 bucks, that's so good, isn't it? Damn. Wow. Shit. Wow. Wow, Victor. All right. 2012, guys. Last box. Man. I'm actually listing mine. I'm actually listing mine here in a little bit. All right, Lee. Thanks for hanging out like usual, man. Love you, man. Have a good weekend, man. I'm not going to be on tomorrow. I'll see you probably within the week or something. No more contenders. Screw contenders. All right. Fuck that. I'm done with that shit. Headache to fill it. Headache to deal with people that's in it. Vikings! Harrison Smith autograph. Number to 299. Poker spot. I'm actually done after this. I normally go on Sundays and random days during the week, but just subscribe and you'll know when I'm on. 290 out of 299. But if you don't mind, you'll probably start getting emails from me of what I'm going to be doing, and we'll go from there. If you enjoyed your day here, that's a purple. That's a purple, Postman. Janoris Jenkins, number to 399. And wow, have yourself a break there, Steelers. Mike Wallace autograph, 13 of 25 for the Steelers. Data Papa. Data Papa. Janoris Jenkins is numbered at 399. Is there any rookies in here? No rookies. Last pack. There you go. Woo it up, Data Papa. You can do it. We pulled a damn Dan, John Elway, Andrew Luck. Oh, I got nervous. For the Colts, Dwayne Allen, triple relic, 10 out of 50, 2 color, 1 color, 2 color. I'm not a Viking fan, though. Let me see that. 10 out of 50. I would seriously get that Andrew Luck graded, though, at least. Oh, there's a Spectrum. Cam Newton, 6 out of 50 Spectrum for the Panthers. Alright, guys, last pack of the break. Here we go. Looks like it's a Stargating for the Saints. Nick Toon, 46 out of 49. Stargating for the Saints. For the Saints. Flying V6-2. That is 46 out of 49. And Adrian Robinson, rookie, number 399. That's it. Congrats to those who hit and hit many times. Sorry to those who didn't.